In front of me I've got INFINIX Note 30 Pro. In this video I'll show you how to use Google Assistant on lock screen. In the beginning, let's go to Google app and now enter menu. Go to settings, go to Google Assistant, voice match and enable Hey Google function. Then try it. Hey Google. Now we are sure it's working. Let's go back and go to lock screen. Also enable assistant responses on lock screen. And now you can simply lock the screen and say, Hey Google, what's the weather like tomorrow?
It'll be cloudy, with a high of 12 and a low of 8.
And that's basically it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.